English Listening Test for Kids, Starter Level, Test 18. 1. The cat is eating noodles. The cat is eating noodles. 2. What would you like to eat?
I'd like cake.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like cake.
3.
It's orange and black. It's dangerous. It is a tiger. It's orange and black. It's dangerous. It is a tiger.
4. What food do you like?
I like curry and rice.
What food do you like?
I like curry and rice.
5. What is it?
It's an ambulance.
What is it?
It's an ambulance.
6.
What do you want to drink?
I want coffee.
What do you want to drink?
I want coffee. 7. The cat is 5 years old. The cat is 5 years old. 8.
The monster has 2 eyes. The monster has 2 eyes.
9. I can play the drums. I can play the drums. 10. What fruit do you like?
I like watermelon.
What fruit do you like?
I like watermelon.